Hello kids, today we are going to learn something. Okay, so before going to learn something, let us discuss. Can you see here? It is about Ramu. We are going to talk about Ramu. Who is Ramu? Ramu is 5 years old. We are talking totally about Ramu. Just see it. Ramu is 5 years old. Ramu goes to school daily. Ramu reads well. Ramu gets good marks in the class. Can you see? When we are talking about Ramu, here in each and every sentence we had written Ramu. But there is no need of writing the name repeatedly in the sentences. Once if we use Ramu, then it's enough. So in other sentences, no need of using Ramu repeatedly. So what must we use? Do you know what you want to use? We want to use some other word in place of Ramu. Means we cannot use Ramu repeatedly. A name must not be repeatedly used in a paragraph. So what we want to use? We must use pronouns. Okay? So we want to use the pronouns. How to use pronouns? Here in place of Ramu, we use he. Since Ramu is a boy, we use he. Now once again, read the sentences. Ramu is 5 years old. He goes to school daily. He reads well. He gets good marks in the class. So, the words which we are using in place of the name or in place of the nouns, such words are called as pronouns. Once again, the words which we use in place of nouns are called as pronouns. Okay children? So today let's learn about pronouns. How to use the pronouns and what are the pronouns. So let us know what are the pronouns first. Okay? So what are the pronouns? We can know them in detail. First take a screenshot. So what is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. So in nouns, today let us discuss about two types of nouns. One is personal pronoun. So in pronouns, we are discussing about personal pronouns. In personal pronouns, we have two types. One is subject pronoun. Other is object pronoun. What is the one? Subject pronoun and object pronoun. So while going with the subject pronoun and object pronoun, let us know what is the difference in between these two. Okay? So coming to subject pronoun and object pronoun, if I say, I am talking to he. If I say, is this sentence correct? Can we say this is correct? No, this is not correct because I, he are subject pronouns. So when comes object, means I starts in the beginning. So it becomes a subject pronoun, means we are talking about a person who is doing a work. So I is doing a work here, it becomes a subject pronoun, but the ending one, to whom he is talking. So the action is done by I, then he is the second person here. So that second person becomes a object pronoun. So we say him. So he is taken as him. So I, subject pronoun, and him, object pronoun. I, subject pronoun, him, object pronoun. So subject pronouns are used in front of a sentence, that is beginning of a sentence, and object pronouns are used at the end of a sentence. Okay? So let us see what are the subject pronouns and what are the object pronouns. So I, if we go with I, what is the subject pronoun of I? Do you know? So it is me. If someone came to me, so I object pronoun is me. We, us. We, us. You, same as you. So there is no difference in you. You is you. They, them. For they it is them. He, him. She, her. And it is same as it. It. Okay. So I, me, we, us, you, they, them, he, him, she, her, it. Okay. So once take a screenshot. So I will explain how to use the subject and object pronouns in a sentence. Okay. Very good. Pause. Yeah. While using the subject with object, let us take I and him. So this is subject pronoun and this is object pronoun. So in a sentence we can't use two subject pronouns and we can't use the two same object pronouns. So I am taking I here and him here. So how are we going to write the sentence? So I, him. I am playing with him. I am playing with him. So we can't say I am playing with he. We say I am playing with him. Since in we, I also will be there. So we can't take I and us. So we can take you and them. So let us take you, them. So how do we use it in a sentence? So first one, the subject pronoun. Second one, object pronoun. So subject pronoun comes first. You are talking to him. You are talking to him. So I am playing with him. You are talking to him. Means the first one is playing. The first person is playing. Here the subject is doing the action and the object is the other person. So with him. Okay. We are using with him. Means the second person comes under object pronoun. Coming to the second sentence, you are talking. The first person, you, that is the subject pronoun, is doing a action and him is the second person. Okay. So other than that, if we take she and us, you can see she is the subject pronoun, us is the object pronoun. So I can say she is singing with us. She is singing with us. So who is singing here? She. She is singing. The subject pronoun is doing the action here with us. So us means it is the object pronoun where we are there. Means you are also there. So you are there in the troop. There is a troop. Might be there is a troop. In that the girl is singing and you are there along with the girl. So we say she is singing with us. With us means maybe there are many other persons along with you and she is also a one person who accompanies you in the singing troop. So let us take one more example like it. It can be anything or an animal. So it, her. If we think it is an animal, it is barking. So if we say it is a dog here, we can say it is barking at her. If we take it as any other animal also, not only the dog, so we can say it is the dogs also play, the dogs also eat, the dogs also jump. So we can say it is jumping, with her. So the girl is jumping. One girl is jumping. So the dog is also jumping along with her. So it is jumping with her. So while writing a subject pronoun and object pronoun, we want to check that the first word must be a subject pronoun, and the next one, that is, if we need to use a pronoun as the second person in a sentence, it must be a object pronoun but not a subject pronoun. Subject pronoun must be the person who is doing the action, and the object is the end of the sentence. We use it in the end of the sentence. Okay, is it clear? Now, basing on this, I will send you a worksheet and you want to complete it. Take a short screenshot and send me through WhatsApp. Now take it a screenshot so that if you have any doubt, you can verify. Okay, thank you.